Hey guys, this is Ty, and today is the day that I've waited for quite a while. I am taking this motorcycle over to Lightning Harley Davidson. I'm getting some front and rear Legend suspension on this motorcycle. Now I got to be completely honest with you. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film a little bit. I don't know if our schedules are going to coordinate and that type of thing for today. But I do have this scheduled. So I don't know. This video could get scrapped. This video might just become a ride and review once the shocks are on the motorcycle. So we'll see when we get over to the dealership. Now stay with me here for a minute because this is when things get interesting. Once I took the motorcycle over to White Lightning and began to talk to them and coordinate our schedules, I quickly realized that with their schedule and my schedule, I just wasn't going to be able to show up and film. So they offered to do a little bit of B-roll for me for the install, and here's what we got. I am.
Oh, I bet that's a Ruroc.
It is. Is that good one? He's got Singer or something on it.
Temperature.
10C EVO. Yeah, I don't think that would get on my
Yeah, you just get the photo.
It's recording right now. 4 minutes, 58 seconds. What's up?
See you guys.
Alright, I'm going to get in the warm car. I'll follow you home.
You gonna follow me? Okay, okay. All right, here we go. See, first of all, how does the bike feel? Just sitting. It's tough for me to tell if the bike feels lower, about the same height. Maybe a little lower. We're gonna go straight right here at this red light. Right down this road, there is some bumpy areas, and that should give me a pretty quick first impression on these Legend shocks. Now there was a point in time where this strip of road right here would just about rattle the teeth out of your head. They have made some small improvements, but I am hoping to hit some bumpy parts and see how the motorcycle handles. But I do know that first impressions on rides like this, when you're kind of reviewing products, might not be 100% completely accurate. You know, this is one of those situations that I'm really just going to have to put some miles on the motorcycle to see if I can tell a big difference. And I can tell you right now, from this little stretch of road, absolutely I can tell a difference. There was a lot of times it was just bone jarring going down through here, and the motorcycle seems to be handling it with ease now. I mean, it's much smoother right here. You know, from the perspective of the viewer, I get it. You probably just think, it just looks like Ty out riding his motorcycle again, and I absolutely and totally understand that. But there is a noticeable difference on this motorcycle, and I wish that somehow could translate to video, but it probably just doesn't, so you may have just to take my word for it. So with all of the aftermarket choices out there, why did I choose Legend? I think that's a good question. I think it's a fair question. And there's a couple different reasons. There were 3 vendors that I looked at, and that was Öhlins, Legend, and Wilbur's suspension. I believe it was those 3. And you know, as I just really was asking around, I didn't hear anything bad about either of those 3 choices, but I heard an overabundance of compliments and confidence with Legend. And so that was one of the reasons. Another reason is, you know, I just went to the website and tried to take a look at what would be compatible with my motorcycle, and it was really easy for me to figure out. And on top of that, I emailed Legend help, you know, their customer support, and they told me exactly what I needed, exactly with part numbers and everything else. So I was able to go to White Lightning, get some great deals, and decided to pull the trigger on that, and that was the reason I chose Legend. Well, pretty soon I'm going to be able to do a lot of riding, get these shocks completely dialed in to where they need to be for my comfort level, and when that time comes, I will provide a full and comprehensive view about what I think of Legend shocks. So for now, I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video. I would like to thank White Lightning Harley Davidson for always taking good care of me. Waldo, I appreciate your time, energy, and effort getting that B-roll footage for me, sir. I think you're awesome. So if you would, please like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.